Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete all CapCut projects at once. Go to CapCut, go to menu, and go back to homepage. Select everything that you want to delete by pressing your cursor here and make sure it's all checked with this blue button icon. And you're just going to select the delete button. I'm not going to do that though. I'm just going to delete maybe these ones. Press the delete button and it's going to be moved to the trash section of CapCut. That's how you can easily remove all of your projects at once. Super simple and easy. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.